Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty, and I am here at the open house of 831 North Fort Thomas Avenue here in the heart of Fort Thomas, Kentucky. This is just right around the corner from Highlands High School and just minutes from the interstate and all the new shopping, grocery, and restaurants in Newport. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, nearly 2,600 square feet. You can see the lovely living room fireplace behind me. If you have any questions or would like to see this home in private, please reach out to me, 859-393-4879, or drop me a line at kennys@nkyhomes.com. Hey, I look forward to talking to you.